Ditch the design chaos and transform Trello into your ultimate mockup and wireframe command center. First, create a new Trello board and title it something relevant, like website mockups or app design. Then, set up columns to mirror your design process. Think brainstorming, wireframes, mockups, feedback, and approved. In the brainstorming column, create cards for each key element: user flow, color palette, typography, and even a competitor analysis card to keep track of what's working in the market. Now, in the Wireframes column, create cards for each screen or section of your design. Attach your low-fidelity wireframe sketches directly to these cards. As images, you can even add descriptions outlining the purpose and functionality of each screen. Time for mockups. Repeat the process, this time attaching your high-fidelity mockup designs. Use the card cover feature to visually represent each card with its corresponding mockup, making it easy to scan the board. Collaboration is key. Use the feedback column to gather input. Team members can add comments directly to cards, suggesting changes, highlighting areas for improvement, and even attaching their own revised versions. Finally, once a design is approved, move it to the approved column. Use labels to quickly identify the status of each card and keep everything organized. And that's it. You've successfully used Trello to create mockups, organize your design workflow, and collaborate effectively. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to supercharge your productivity.